Adventures of Paws. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Luna and the self-driving car in San Francisco. Luna, the black and white traveling cat with bright green eyes, had been to many places around the world. But today, she arrived in a city of rolling hills, bright red bridges, and cable cars that clattered through the streets. San Francisco. As soon as she stepped off the ferry at Pier 39, a cool ocean breeze ruffled her fur. She twitched her whiskers, taking in the smell of salt water, fresh sourdough bread, and something fishy. "Meow!" Luna purred. "This city smells delicious." Luna's first stop was the famous Pier 39, where boats bobbed in the bay and tourists enjoyed seafood at colourful restaurants. But what caught Luna's attention was the loud barking sounds echoing from the docks. She padded closer and gasped. Dozens of sea lions were lounging on wooden platforms, flopping around and sunbathing in the sun. One sea lion lifted his head and gave Luna a curious look. "Meow!" Luna greeted. "Off! Off!" the sea lion barked back. Luna giggled. She didn't speak sea lion, but she understood that they were having a lazy, happy day, just like cats do after a good meal. After waving goodbye to the sea lions, Luna trotted toward the bustling city streets. She had planned to hop onto a cable car, but something strange and exciting caught her eye instead. A sleek white car rolled silently down the street, but there was no driver inside. Luna's tail flicked with curiosity. "A car that drives itself. I must see this up close." Just as she stepped onto the sidewalk, the car came to a stop. The door popped open, and a cheerful voice greeted her from inside. "Hello, traveler. Welcome to San Francisco's self-driving taxi service." Luna's ears perked up. A car that talks? She leapt onto the seat, her whiskers twitching in excitement. "Destination?" the car asked. Luna thought for a moment, then meowed, "Meow!" which in cat language meant, "Take me somewhere fun." The car's screen blinked, and then, vroom, they were off. As the self-driving car smoothly glided through the streets of San Francisco, Luna's whiskers twitched with excitement. Suddenly she saw red lanterns strung across the streets, golden dragons curling around buildings, and the delicious scent of dumplings and roasted duck filling the air. "Welcome to Chinatown!" the car announced. Luna's eyes widened as she saw market stalls filled with colourful silk dresses. She watched as an elderly man carefully poured tea from a teapot with an extra long spout, and a group of musicians played traditional Chinese instruments. "This place is full of magic," Luna thought. If only she had more time, she would try every dumpling and listen to every story told in this lively neighborhood. But soon the car made a turn, heading toward its next adventure. Just when Luna thought the ride couldn't get any more exciting, the car announced, "Hold on tight, we're heading to Lombard Street." Luna's ears perked up. She had heard that Lombard Street was one of the windiest roads in the world, twisting and turning down a steep hill with beautiful flowers planted along the way. As the car zigzagged down the road, Luna's paws gripped the seat. "Meow, this is like a roller coaster." The colourful hydrangeas and bright red roses along the street made it look like a fairy tale path winding through the city. Tourists stood at the top, taking photos, and Luna imagined herself as a little explorer conquering the curves of the famous street. When they reached the bottom, Luna let out a big sigh. That was positively thrilling. Finally, the car brought Luna to the Golden Gate Bridge. The massive red bridge stretched across the bay, disappearing into the misty fog that often rolled in from the ocean. Luna climbed onto the railing and let the wind fluff her fur. Cars zoomed past and seagulls soared above, calling to each other. The bridge felt like a gateway to adventure, leading to places unknown. I could travel forever and still find something new, Luna thought, watching the waves crash below. After all the excitement, Luna's stomach rumbled. She followed her nose to a small food stand near Fisherman's Wharf, where a vendor was flipping thin golden crepes on a hot griddle. The sweet scent of melting chocolate, fresh strawberries and warm vanilla filled the air. Luna licked her lips as she watched the vendor drizzle chocolate sauce over a freshly folded crepe. "Would you like one, little traveler?" the vendor asked, placing a plate in front of her. Luna meowed happily and took a tiny bite. The crepe was warm, soft and sweet, absolutely delicious. She purred with joy, savoring every taste of her special San Francisco treat. "This city truly has the best food," she thought, as she licked her whiskers clean. As the sun set over the city, Luna curled up near Fisherman's Wharf, watching the twinkling lights reflect on the bay. Today, she had seen playful sea lions, explored Chinatown, zigzagged down Lombard Street, walked across the Golden Gate Bridge, and even tasted a delicious crepe. She realized that travel isn't just about seeing new places, it's also about discovering new ideas and the amazing things humans create. Who knows, she thought, maybe next time I'll ride in a flying car. With a happy sigh, she stretched her paws and smiled. Tomorrow, she might chase butterflies in Golden Gate Park or visit the painted houses of Alamo Square. For now, she was just a cat in a big, wonderful city, ready for her next adventure.
Adventures of Paws. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let the adventures begin. Listen now on Spotify.